Most worshipful Raul E. Cannon Jr., the most worshipful Granta, free and accepted mission of the Philippines. Thank you. And party, welcome to Batasan Masonic Lodge, number 381, 17 public installation. I hope you stay with us will be a fruitful and meaningful. Brother Marshall, you will conduct most worshipful Raul E. Cannon and party in their seats in the east.